As financial and legal troubles continue to mount for the owners of Camp Mystic following last summer's deadly floods, today we're learning they have filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy.
Yeah, this move now provides serious questions as to whether the camp, as it's been known, will ever be able to operate again.
Just last week, a Texas state-appointed investigator testified at a hearing in Austin about findings following the deadly flooding that killed 28 people at Camp Mystic last summer, including the camp's director.
Nobody had any instruction whatsoever about what to do in an emergency. Particularly, obviously, here we're talking about in a flood emergency. There were not specific assignments given to staff.
The scathing testimony pointed to numerous flaws in preparedness and in response in the moments of the emergency. Well, now this, a Chapter 11 bankruptcy court filing from Mystic owners claiming estimated liabilities between $10 and $50 million.
Kind of not a surprise to me that they would file bankruptcy, because that is a way to deal with a number of the problems that they currently are facing.
Bankruptcy attorney Joyce Lindauer isn't involved in the filing, but has been following the case. She says under Chapter 11 bankruptcy, Mystic could either reorganize its business to pay off debt and liabilities or liquidate all of their assets.
Given the size of the debt and the litigation that they were involved in, I would think that they may be opting more for a liquidating case, but I don't know.
The filing states Mystic's goal is to propose, file, and confirm a plan of reorganization or plan of liquidation for the company. The camp said it only has assets in the range of $100,000 to $500,000 and expects funds would be available to distribute to between 1,000 to 5,000 unsecured creditors. Lindauer reiterates it's likely they'll opt for the liquidation path under Chapter 11.
Given the amount of liability that potentially is here, it would be difficult to restructure this business and continue to operate it. I'm not saying it's impossible, but I think it would be difficult.
An attorney representing families of 6 Camp Mystic victims believes this filing is a tactic to delay their cases. Sam Taylor told CBS News every step of the way they've tried to avoid accountability. He said adding the filing is, in his opinion, another effort by them to avoid a trial.
Well, we have reached out to Camp Mystic's owners and attorneys for comment, but have not heard back.